In this video, I want to talk about how you can take money out of eToro. Now this works on the app as well as on the website, and what you want to do is you simply want to log into your account, head over to withdraw funds, and in here you should be able to see everything that's available to withdraw. Now keep in mind, it's only stuff that is in a closed position. So if you have a lot of open positions and you didn't close them yet, you cannot withdraw the money. So make sure that you close all your positions, or for the ones that you want to withdraw at least, and make sure they're not in an active stock or anything. And then you will be able to withdraw the money simply by coming into here and typing how much you want to withdraw. After that, press complete and you should be good to go. Keep in mind you need your account to be completely verified before you can do this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.